Okay, so in digital to analog converter, there is a two type. One is a binary weighted resistor, another R2R ladder. So we already completed the weighted resistor method. Just once again, I'll tell you what is weighted resistor method that we already studied. Weighted resistor method means different value of resistors. So here it is 2R, 4R, 8R, like that it will come continue 16R up to 2 power n. So different value of resistors we are using, so that the binary values are corresponding to the voltage will be generated here. So the digital value is converted to analog value. For that we require a different resistor value. That is going to be the one of the drawback of the weighted resistor method, because this range of resistance is difficult to find out, and also the lower value also some problem is there, and similarly higher value resistance also then problem is there. So that is the drawback of weighted average method that we already see. So now we'll go to a R2R ladder. Okay, R2R ladder, there is a in R2R ladder circuit also there is a two types. That one is the current mode R2R ladder, another one is the voltage mode R2R ladder circuit. So if they are asking R2R ladder circuit, you can write any one, or you can write both also, no problem. It is not mentioned in the syllabus current mode R2R or voltage mode R2R ladder. So you can write any one R2R ladder circuit. If they are specifically they are asking, then you have to write. So first we'll see current mode R2R ladder. So first you understand what is R2R ladder. R2R ladder is nothing but there is a two resistance value we are using. Okay, one is R, there is a two resistance value we are using. One is R, another one is 2R. R and 2R. So that it is calling R2R ladder. Okay. In weighted average resistor, we are using a different resistors value, but here we are using only two values. One is R, another one is, that means multiplication. That is the double the value of R. Okay. That R to R, it will be connected like a ladder. So it is called R to R ladder circuit. Okay, this is also for used for DAC. DAC means what? Digital to analog conversion. So the digital value will be converted into analog circuit. So this is the digital value. So now here we are giving a digital value. Digital value is nothing but zeros and one. And here we are getting the output. Output is the corresponding analog voltage we are getting. Suppose if it is 0, 0, 0 means you will get 0 voltage. So like that you will get a different voltages. So for this diagram, for it is a n bit. For a n bit, if it is a n bit, it will start from B1, B2 up to Bn. Okay. So how it is connected means, so the switch is connected to the switch. The switch will control to the binary value. That means if the binary is 0, then the switch will be connected to here. That means it will be connected to ground. Okay, if the switch is 0, it will be connected to ground. If switch is 1, then it will be connected here to the inverter circuit. Okay, so now we'll see how it will be vary means, see, depending upon the value of this R, 2R and R, what will happen at this node we are getting a different voltage. That means if it is VR, here we are getting a the complete VR voltage here. So at this node, if you are taking at this node, what will happen means the voltage, because it is the series of resistors are connected. So what will happen? The voltage will be divided. So here it is VR by 2. So next it is VR by 4. Next VR by 8. Next VR by 16. Like that the voltage will be divided. So what will happen? So depending upon that, because at this node we are getting a different voltage. So what about the I1 current? If the switch is 1, Okay, if the switch is 1, then it will be connected here. If the switch is 1, it will be connected here. So what will happen? So this current is VR divided by 2R current will flow. Okay, see here, it is I1 is VR by 2, and similarly I2 is VR by 2 divided by 2R. So you will get VR by 4R. Then I3 is there, that voltage is VR by 4, so divide by 2R. So VR by 8R. So at IN current, VR divided by 2 power n minus 1 divided by 2R. So that is the current. So what about the V naught is, the amplifier output is V naught equal to minus total current into RF, feedback resistance. So IT is nothing but the sum of all the current, I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus up to I1. So this I1 current depends upon the value of the binary value. So if the binary value is 1 only, you will get I1 is VR by 2R. If B1 is 0, it will be 0. Okay, similarly B2. If B2 is 1, you will get VR by 4R. Otherwise, it is 0. Similarly, B3. If B3 is 0, this is completely 0. If B3 is 1, VR by 8R. So up to like that it will goes. See here, that means if it is 0, then the current is become 0. If it is connected here, so it is VR divided by 2R. If this is 1, then VR by 2 divided by 2R. So you will get what? VR by 4R. Like that it will be continued. So now here also we can choose RF equal to R. Feedback resistance equal to same value. So what will happen? This RF, and because here it's common denominator, common is R. So we can take R outside. So what will happen? VR also common. So we can take VR also outside. So you'll get 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 we can write 2 power minus 1. 1 by 4. 4 we can write 2 power 2. So if it go to numerator, it is 2 power minus 2. Then 8. 8 is nothing but 2 power 3. 8 is nothing but 1 by 2 power 3. So if it goes to numerator, then it has become 2 power minus 3. So like that it will go 2 power minus n. Okay. So V naught equal to minus VR, B1 2 power minus 1, like that up to. Okay, suppose if we are, for example, we are using a 4-bit binary. Okay, we are using 4-bit binary. 4-bit binary means we are using 4 bits. So we are using B1, 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 B2, B3, B4. That is a 4-bit. So it is a, we are using only 4 bits. So that means at this node it is VR voltage. Here it is VR by 2. At here it is VR by 4. Here it is VR by 8. Okay. So VR by 2, VR by 4, VR by 8. So this is a 4-bit digital to analog converter. So now we'll see the example of that is 1 0 0 1. 1 0 0 means B1 is 1, B2 is 0, B3 is 0, B4 is 1. Okay, I'll give attendance later. Uh, Okay, 1 0 0 1. So 1 is, that means B1 is 1, B2, B3 is 0 0, B4 is 1. So now we'll see if it is 1 1, what will happen. If B1 is 1, so it will be connected to here. So what will happen? The I1 current is VR by 2 1. If it is 0 means this is become 0. I2 current is 0. B3 is 0. I3 current is 0. If I4 is 1, if that means this B4 is 1. B4 is 1. What about the I4 current means? Here the voltage is VR by 8. So VR by 8 divided by 2R. So it's become VR divided by 16R. So now this current will substitute in the equation. Okay. So it is already we say no VR equal to B1 into 2 power minus 1 B2 B3. So here it has become 0 0. So it is 2 power minus 1, that is 1 by 2 0 0. 2 power minus 4 1 by 16. So this is VR value. So it has become final value is 2.8125 V voltage. That means if it is a VR voltage, if the reference voltage, they are taken, reference voltage is 5 voltage. So if you multiply with 5, here if you multiply with 5, so you will get 2.8125 volt. So if it is 1001, if the binary value is 1001, if you are giving a digital value, the corresponding output is 2.8125. Okay, this is yeah, current mode. So next we'll see the R2R ladder. It's the same thing only, but it is the voltage mode. So now we'll see the voltage mode R2R ladder. So only a circuit, a slight change in the circuit is that. So here the source voltage is connected here. Okay, the switch is connected here. Here also we are using R2R, only two resistance value, and it is connected in a ladder in circuit. So now if this is 1, this switch is 1, then the B1 will be connected to VR. If it is 0, it will be connected to 0. Similarly, B2, B3, B4 is connected. Okay. So now we'll see the working of this one. So now for to check the working, now we are going to see a 3 bit R2R ladder. So we are taken only 3 bit B1, B2, B3. Okay. So only B1, B2, B3 are taken. So now we are taken a example. The example it is 0, 0, 1. So if it is 0, it will be connected to ground. B2 is 0, so it will be connected to ground. B3 is 1, what will happen? This will be connected to VR. Okay. So now we'll see what is the output voltage. Okay. See now these are all the resistors. This 2R and this 2R connected to the ground, and this 2R is connected to VR. See now this voltage here, the voltage is VR. At this point, the voltage is VR. Okay, now you have to find out what is the voltage at point VC. Here you have to use the voltage divider rule. In circuit theory, you studied the voltage divider rule, no? So, if the two resistors are now, it is connected like this. These two resistors are connected like this. So, what will happen? These two values are same means the voltage will be divided. So, at this value, what will happen? The VR value will be divided by 2. The VR value will be divided by 2. So, now we can see the same circuit, it will be simplified here. See, these 2 points, it is connected to ground, no? So now we have taken this 2R and 2R connected to ground. Okay, this 2R connected to ground and this 2R connected to not this one, this diagram. Okay, this one, it is connected to ground. Okay, just they are changed the direction, so now it is connected to ground. This one, it is connected to ground. Now they are removed this point. Instead of that, directly they are written, they are removed this portion, they are find out the BC value. The BC value is VR by 2. So that only we can see here. So the BC value we find out, that is VR by 2. Now these two are, it is connected to ground. Okay. Now this circuit we can simplify. Now here it is VR by 2. Here the we have again we have to use voltage divider. So these two resistance value are same. So what will happen? What about at the terminal of B? What is the voltage across B? So the voltage across B is nothing but the voltage across B is nothing but this voltage will be divided by 2 because the values are same. So what value you get? You get VR by 4. So you will get VR by 4. So that only it is written here. So that only we can see here. See now at VB is VR. So now we can remove this one. The VB value will be written here. Okay. The VB value is VR by 4. The VB value is VR by 4. Okay. Again. So now we have taken this value. So again here there is a 2 VR is there. So what will happen? We have simplified the circuit. So here we are getting a 2 VR. So again you have to apply a voltage divider rule. Again you have to use a voltage divider rule. Then what will happen here? It is VR by 4. So if you again if it is divided, then you will get VR by 8 here. Okay. Then now the simplified version of this circuit. So now the output voltage. So whatever here it will be transferred here. So the output voltage is VR by 8.